Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram story with your favorite music. You can create Instagram by clicking in here your story, or you can click on add button in here and then click to story. Okay, and now open your gallery and choose a picture from here. I'm going to choose this, and now you can adjust your picture like this. Okay, and then click to this sticker and then choose music. Okay, now search in here your favorite music. Okay, I'm going to select this music like this. As you can see, the duration of your Instagram story is 50 seconds, and now from here you can choose the song where the song start. Okay, and from here you can choose the text style like this. Okay, or you can choose the sticker. Okay, like this. So I'm going to choose this text style, and then from here you can change the color of this text. Okay, after finish click to done, and now you can put here you want to put the text. Okay, after that click mix and then share your story. Okay, done. After uploading your story, open your story, and this is how to add the music on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.